All right, my name is Braden, and the voting method that I chose to discuss is range voting. The reason I chose range voting is because it is the voting method I like to use the most when it comes to design and ideating. In range voting, basically, you have your ideas. You can use this example right here. Let's say you're redesigning the public transportation. Adam, Bob, and Cody are working on this project, and they're contemplating roller skates, bicycles, and rocket ships. With range voting, you get a look at each idea and rank it on how much you think it's a good idea. In this example here, I did it on a ranking from 0 to 3. So putting in some theoretical numbers, you see that roller skates is the winner here. And that's because each candidate may not have been their top choice, but there was enough credibility to it that it ended up being the winner. Now, the reason I like this, if you compare it to a plurality vote, which is what you typically see in like elections, winner take all, a person only has one vote to put on their top choice. And when you're coming up with ideas, you may have multiple ideas that are good ideas, multiple that you think will work, or none that you think will work, or some that you think will work great, and some that you don't, maybe you has possibility. So range voting allows it to capture a bit of that spread of good ideas and bad ideas. And it's quite different from plurality. You can see in a situation like this, you may get an entirely different outcome. Now, you can also compare this to Borda count. I'd say this range voting is probably most similar to Borda count. With Borda count, you rank your choices, your preferences. So if you have 3 options, you rank your highest one as 2, then your next highest is 1, and then your final one is 0. So Adam has a high preference for roller skates. I gave him a 2, and then he was equally conflicted between the 2 here, so I gave 1 and 0. And you can see, you can get similar numbers, 6 and 5, 4 and 5. You can see that both roller skates and rocket ships came out similar, but with Borda count, this one, rocket ships won. And I think that's because with ranked choice, you are ordering them in preference. It's closer to this, but you're still giving weight. You're still giving voting weight to something you may not have full confidence in, just because it's a 2, 1, 0, etc. So that's why I like range voting for ideation.